Hi and welcome to my channel. If you want to learn how to make this beautiful bath bar, stay tuned. So here's the items you're going to need. Handles of your choice, a sander, screwdriver, some wood nails, jigsaw, cutter, some wood glue, stain, something to put it on with, a towel or a sponge. If you want to add bling, some bling, and your 2 pieces of wood. Step number 1, the first thing you got to do is measure your bathtub from ledge to ledge. So mine. What you want to do is make sure that you get all this dust off of here. All of it. On both sides. I'm going to spread it evenly, and I'm going to put it down. Maybe 3 inches apart. Then I'm going to let this dry for like maybe 15 minutes, and then I'll come back. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use the gun stock stain. See how this comes out. My little pad. So I'll just let this dry. You want to place them like 3 inches from the end on each one. You're going to get your screws